got a few pieces from some of my favorite brands. One of the pieces I got again is one I lost, and a few of you asked me on Instagram where that piece was from. I actually thought it was no longer in stock because I got it about 4 or 5 years ago, and is this piece right here. And then they've adjusted a few things which I absolutely love, and that's what I like about some of these brands that I love to shop and I love to get things from as well. They pay attention to detail. When I first started wearing some of their pieces, they came a bit too large for me. I don't think it's not their fault. It's more of obviously my kind of sizing, so it was difficult for me to style, buy stuff off their page. Now I realized that the same jacket I wore, I styled the same size and it just felt a lot better, which is amazing. I love that. So I was super excited to pick out a few pieces. First and foremost, I literally did a little tour around the store. They had got a new store in Soho, which I think you should go and check it out. It's in Berwick Street in London. Amazing store. They've got the first floor for men, women, and then they've got like a little lounge upstairs, which was very nice. It looked absolutely gorgeous. I've always loved about Adaysmarch. It's just how flexy their styling and their capsules have always been. It suits the everyday man, and that's for those of you who know me, those are the kind of people I'm paying attention to, the everyday man. And you can style street, you can style classic, you can style urban, you can style chic with their pieces, minimalist, edgy, and it works. That's why I love that brand, because I wouldn't show you something to get if it's not something I like. I'm not just here to make money or whatever. I'm here to make sure that you love what you end up getting based on my influence on your choices, if you get what I mean. But enough of the talking. Let's go straight to the unwrapping, unboxing, or whatever you call it. This is the one I went to pick up again. This one, I just love this. I love this boiled wool. That's what I was told. It's like the wool was boiled, so it just has this teddy kind of texture to it. And it feels like you've got a teddy on. It's very comfy. You can see the detail on there. Just, yeah, gorgeous. Love this. Yeah, it's got pockets everywhere. So it's sort of like a utilitarian piece as well. You can style this with anything, whatever you're wearing. Just chuck this on top of it. It's good for winter and for spring as well. So great choice. Something that you can style and you will actually use all season. It comes in different colors, I think. They've got green, and I think next season they said they're going to release the charcoal grey, so watch out for that one. My next piece is this one. Yeah, this mohair knitwear sweater. It just looks cozy. This is just, I don't know, let me show you this. Look at that. Everything just breathes cozy. It's so soft and nice, and I love this sort of like sprinkle of sprout hair that's coming through the piece as well. Yeah, so there you are. That's my second piece I got from them. Oh yes, and I got this. It feels kind of like a territorial kind of piece, this one. They have it in brown and navy. So let me show you the color. Yeah, there you are. So it's got really nice texture. I love the texture on this. That towel, so kind of texture to it. It looks very breathable. So this is an ideal piece for spring. Yeah, I can't wait to style this. I love stuff like this. A polo top with this towel kind of texture to it. That was the second piece. The third one is the classic denim, which Adaysmarch make really well, because I've got a few denim pieces from them, obviously. So yeah, this is another one, nicely tailored with a classic fit, so you can style this smart if you want to, and I like to try things out. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. There you go. Let me show this in full. Let me take the tag away so you can see the entire fit. There you go. Last but not the least, I couldn't cop the jacket I spoke about earlier, the double-breasted, but I was able to get my hands on the pants for the trousers. And yeah, flannel kind of, yeah, look at that. I love this, and I love the leg opening on this as well. As you can tell, I've been getting more into my wide leg pants and stuff like that. So I can already tell exactly how I'm going to style this piece. Yeah, with the piped pocket pants behind, with a nice seamless flow, and I love how they've kept the consistency of the stripes to go through the pants as well. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This has been my first haul for spring, winters into spring styling. And subscribe, click the like button, follow me for more, as I'll be uploading a lot of things. Apart from just the suiting stuff, I have a lot of content coming through that will help you with your everyday style. Ciao.